To make this magic trick, you only need to practice for a few minutes. Get an elastic band. Hold it with your right hand in this way, while with your left finger you take the elastic band from the other side to form a triangle. Then, pass your finger over that figure will remain. Then, put your finger on top of this point and drop the elastic band to get a knot. Now, stretch the elastic band very carefully and see how it starts to get right off. And that's all.
You need a plate, scissors and a box of nuts. Cut both sides of the box and fold them in this way. Put them on a plate and burn them. Then, with your fingers, cut some of the substance. Now, rub your fingers until smoke comes out.